Good morning children. In our previous class we discussed about divisibility rules. So here today we will discuss about divisibility by 11. What is the condition for divisibility by 11? See here we have to check the difference of some odd places and even places, then we will get some value. We have to check that value is multiple of 11 or not. Sometimes we will get 0, sometimes we will get numbers. So we have to check that value is 0 or multiple of 11 we have to check. See one example, I will explain you in one example. Sum 200, that means 20,009. So how to check this number is divisible, that means 20,009 is divisible by 11 or not. How to check? See here we have to apply one condition. What is that condition? Here first we have to write the odd places and even places. Not odd numbers, even numbers, odd places. Here start with odd place, odd place. Next one is even place, odd place, even place and odd place. This is place, not numbers, odd number, not odd number and even number, like that. This is odd place, first place, next even place, odd place, even place, odd place. Like that you have to write first. Next, sum of odd places. Next one is sum of odd places. So here in this number, what are the odd places? See, we circuit this one odd, and this one odd, and this one odd. So I have to add like this: 9 plus 0 plus 2. 9 plus 0 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11. Next one, sum of remaining even places are there. So you have to write sum of even places. Odd places and even places. So what are the even places? Here 0 plus 0. What is the value? 0 plus 0 is nothing but 0. Next we should find out the difference of odd places and even places. Next one, difference. Difference of odd places and even places. What is the odd places value? 11. What is the even place value? 0. 11 minus 0 value is 11. So this 11 is multiple of 11 or not? So 11 is divisible by 11 and 11 is multiple of 11. That's why this 20,009 is divisible by 11. Like this we have to check. Sometimes we will get 0. At a time also that number is divisible by 11. So we have to check that the value is either 0 or multiple of 11. That means that number is divisible by 11. See, again I will explain you. Here first we have to write the odd places and even places of the given number. So this is first one odd, next even, odd, even and odd. So you have to arrange like this. You have to write like this. And next step, sum of odd places. We add the what are the digits in the odd places, just to add it. So in that 9, here 0 and 2. So that value is nothing but 11. Remaining are sum of even places. 0 plus 0 is nothing but 0. And next step is the difference of odd places and even places. What is the value in odd place value? 11. And what is the value in even places value is 0. Their difference is 11. So 11 is multiple of 11. So that number is divisibility by 11. See one more example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See here. So here also same like that only. First odd place, next even place. Odd, even, odd, even, odd. Same. Sum of odd places. Sum of odd places. See here, odd places. Here in odd place 7. Here also odd place. Here odd place. Here also odd place. So what are the values? 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 1. So 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. And the next remaining sum of even places. Sum of even places. What are the even places? 6 plus 4 plus 2. 6 plus 4 plus 2. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Next, their difference. So, odd places minus even places. 16 minus 12. What is the value? 4. 4 is multiple of 11? No. So, here 0 is there? No. So, we did not get 0 or we did not get multiple of 11. So, 4 is not divisible by 11. So, the given number, that means 12,34,567 is not divisible by 11. Like this, we have to check divisibility by 11. See, again I will explain you. So, first we have to write sum of, first we have to write odd places and even places and write their addition, and that means sum of odd places and sum of even places. Next, their difference. Then you have to check is either 0 or multiple of 11. Means that number is divisibility by 11. See the next condition. Divisibility by 12. Here there is no particular condition for divisibility by 12. Already we did for 6. 2 3s are 6 like that. Here also divisibility by 12 condition is 3 4s or 4 3s. Anything you can write. So 3 4s. 3 4s are 12 no. So here you have to check divisibility by 3 condition and you have to check divisibility by 4 condition. So both conditions satisfied means the total number is divisible by 12. Otherwise it is not divisible by 12. See one example. 2 3 4 4. 2 3 4 4. Example. First you have to check divisibility by 3. So you already I told you, I explained divisibility by 3 condition. What is that? Sum of the digits. Sum of the digits. So sum of the digits means we should add this number of these digits. Sum of the digits. That means 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4. See here. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 is multiple of 3? No. 13 is not multiple of 3. So, next, what is the next condition you have to check? What is the next condition? Divisibility by 4 we have to check now. So, what is the condition for divisibility by 4? We have to take the last 2 digits are divisible by 4 or not. Last 2 digits we have to take last 2 digits. So, with doing actual division. So, 4, 44. 4 ones, 4, 0. Again bring down one more number. 4 ones are 4, 0. So, this number is divisible by, 4. Is divisible by 4. But before number, this number is not satisfied that condition of divisibility by 3. Why? Because we did not get multiple of 3, no? So this number is not divisible by 3. But this number is divisible by 4. But here only one condition is satisfied, another condition is not satisfied. So, but we have we have to take this number is not divisible by 12. So we have to check like this. So both conditions satisfied means only that number is divisible by 12. Otherwise it is not divisible by 12. Like this we have to check that is divisibility by 12 condition. So you have to check the divisibility by 3 condition and divisibility by 4 conditions. Both conditions satisfied means that number is divisible by 12. Otherwise it is not divisible by 12. Like this we have to check the divisible by 12 condition.